Hi guys, and welcome to my video. I'm Kate Blanco, and I want to show you today a planner for Starbucks. I earned. Okay, my brother gave it to me. A 2018 Starbucks planner. Let's unpack it. So here is the planner. Starbucks 20 years together. Starbucks Philippines. My phone say hi. And my cat over there say hi too. Wait a minute, I forgot. And I just unwrap it. Remove the rubber of this box and this stuff inside. Yeah. Oh, let's check it out. I just remove all of them. And as you can see, we have essentials, coffee, social media, and letters, alphabets. And we have some calendar. And these together and the months and the dates. And finally, we have the planner. It's a leaf green. It's a beautiful green sign. Yeah, and let's unwrap it. Just there's a wrap here. And I just wrap her from the planner. And this is a card. It's my first time to have a planner from Starbucks. The last year one is like the design was like mermaid, yes, something like that, the green one. I like the green, but no, it's like matcha. I think it's green, and the color of it is so green. And yeah, you can see my legs there. And the dates. And ooh, I know there's something in the back, or if this has something with here. I had some free stuff or something like that, or it's discounted. For I process is espresso. It's not tea or any drop. Me and my bro, we can share this one, but it's not flavor coffee, Ooh, nice. I think I will have this. Notes for work. And that's for my birthday. When is my birthday? June. Wait. It's June 30 on Wednesday. Yay, I'm excited. And that's all for today on this planner. And my phone say hi to you. Hi. And it's 9:01. Yeah, phone and number. Until it's 9:01. Wednesday, 24 February 2018. That's all for today, and that's for today, and thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe and share my video if you want to, and that's all for today. Thank you for watching my video. Heart.